Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about hydrojetting. So, what does hydrojetting mean? Hydrojetting is a widely used method or process to remove coating materials, accumulated contamination and dirt buildup on surfaces as well as blockages on pipes using high velocity water pressure through a jet nozzle. A typical hydrojet system consists of the following: pressure pump, the correct nozzle type to deliver the intended water stream to the area to be cleaned, waste handling equipment, work area enclosure and other accessories. Hydrojetting systems operate at pressures of as low as 4,000 pounds per square inch SI to as high as 60,000 psi 414 MPa depending on the work to be done. Different types of nozzles, in terms of design and material used, are available for various applications. Among the commonly used nozzle designs are the following. Flat jet nozzles have a wide, slot-shaped hole that creates a water jet in a triangular, fan-shaped spray pattern. Point jet nozzles have a round hole that releases a precise, focused water jet. It is a penetrating nozzle that has a much higher impact than flat jet nozzles, and is often used in cleaning pipes, tanks, filters and component parts, and removing concrete or rust. Rotating nozzles have a rotating portion that sprays to the sides as well as straight ahead. This is the best nozzle for cleaning pipe walls after dislodging blockages. Each of the above types of nozzles has several variations to best fit specific requirements. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.